Hi, I am May from Langmaster learning system. In this lesson, we will learn most common words you need to know at your job. Let's get started. Part 1. Office equipment. These things help you work better in the office. Printer. Printer. Computer. Computer. Folder. Folder. Stapler. Stapler. Clip. Clip. Scissors. Scissors. Calculator. Calculator. Whiteboard. Whiteboard. Sticky notes. Sticky notes. File cabinet. File cabinet. Paper cutter. Paper cutter. These are personal things you bring to work. Briefcase. Briefcase. Tote bag. Tote bag. Lunchbox. Lunchbox. Water bottle. Water bottle. Mug. Mug. Jacket. Jacket. Notebook. Notebook. Headphones. Headphones. Part 2. People at work. Let's learn about the people you see and work with every day. Colleague. Colleague. A colleague works with you. A colleague works with you. Boss. Boss. A boss manages you. A boss manages you. Manager. Manager. A manager leads a team. A manager leads a team. Intern. Intern. An intern works to learn. An intern works to learn. Assistant. Assistant. An assistant helps another worker. An assistant helps another worker. Receptionist. Receptionist. A receptionist greets visitors. A receptionist greets visitors. Security guard. Security guard. A security guard keeps the office safe. A security guard keeps the office safe. Technician. Technician. A technician fixes machines. A technician fixes machines. These are people who come from outside of your company. Supplier. Supplier. A supplier gives goods to your company. A supplier gives goods to your company. Consultant. Consultant. A consultant gives expert advice. A consultant gives expert advice. Investor. Investor. An investor puts money into a business. An investor puts money into a business. Partner. Partner. A partner works with your company. A partner works with your company. Inspector. Inspector. An inspector checks if things are correct. An inspector checks if things are correct. Part 3. Departments and teams. These departments help the company operate. HR. HR. HR manages people and hiring. HR manages people and hiring. Accounting. Accounting. Accounting handles money and records. Accounting handles money and records. Marketing. Marketing. Marketing promotes products or services. Marketing promotes products and services. Sales. Sales. Sales sells products to customers. Sales sells products to customers. Customer service. Customer service. Customer service helps and supports. Customer service helps and supports. IT. IT. IT manages computers and systems. IT manages computers and systems. R&D. R&D. R&D creates new products and ideas. R&D creates new products and ideas. Let's learn about the teams that keep the office running smoothly. Security. Security. Security keeps the office and staff safe. Security keeps the office and staff safe. Cleaning services. Cleaning services. Cleaning services keep the office clean and tidy. Cleaning services keep the office clean and tidy. Canteen. Canteen. Canteen provides food and drinks for staff. Canteen provides food and drinks for staff. Reception. Reception. Reception welcomes visitors and answers calls. Reception welcomes visitors and answers calls. That's all for today, guys. Hope this lesson helps you communicate effectively. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'm May from Langmaster Learning System. Bye bye!